Nandi gives Rebecca a chance to be in Kaya's life. Mom Santa gets an unexpected visit from Rebecca, and she actually agrees to go and pray for Kaya at her house. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. So, Nandi is still staying with Rebecca, and she's actually starting to warm up and let Rebecca be in Kaya's life. As at Solomzias, I like what I see. That I like that you're letting my mom be ugogo kakhaya. Athi yes, I'm doing it for umntwana. And then umamsonto bandla isizungu siyambulala because now she finds herself calling Utenjiwe, forgetting Utenjiwe doesn't live there anymore. Ubhuti wakhe uBulelani was there to see her when she gets a surprise, an unexpected visit from Rebecca. She was shocked. Rebecca kwami ufunani. Rebecca is there to ask her to come and pray for Kaya at her house. At first, Mom Tonto was reluctant, saying that to your house, I can't come to your house if you've forgotten everything that you've done to me and my children. And then Rebecca goes back home, thinking that Mom Sonto won't come. They start praying with Usodom Zunonandi Nosia. While they pray, while they're busy singing, afike ke Mom Sonto with the church ladies, there to pray for Ukaya, her recovery yakhe. Everyone was shocked with how she came indeed and to support them. Usolomzi never doubted her vele wathi he knows ukuthi uMamsonto uzoza because she loves umzukulu wakhe uKhaya. Rebecca ngasavuyanga and says ukuthi they must give them food and what the church ladies, like, you know how they always give them cakes and amakuku and tea or juice. Hayi uMamsonto vele athi mina ngilambanga bavele babone ukuthi hayi she doesn't want to compromise herself or end up eating things ezingekho kahle. Phela Rebecca la, hey, Rebecca cannot be trusted. And then Unel is not happy ukuthi uThenjiwe decided to cook the whole groceries abo to actually impress uVelaphi. Now they're left with no food. And then uThenjiwe decides to go home, finds out akunamuntu ekhaya and steals ukudla kukaMamsonto. She took some onions and tomatoes and potatoes and carrots. And then Uneli agrees to be imodel kaNkanyiso ke. Emodela acting as if she nayo ifake khona igolide while she didn't. She's always had igold yakhe. Afike ke uMathili eshasha ukuthi hayi man, you guys are lying to us. Uneli has always had her igold yakhe. Le nto uyisithengisela yona la umdubulo wena Nkanyiso. And then Siyamthanda goes live and tells her followers ukuthi she has been through a lot since after the Red Dance. The Red Dance drama and then Ukuma, so she has decided to take a break from social media just to focus on herself and her healing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.